So these are all the basic SQL queries which are generally used in the ETL testing. So first is the count records in the source table. So we are giving the select count as source count from source table. And similarly, we run the count query for the target table. And we need to match the record count in both the tables. If the record count are same, then it is an expected condition. The data is transformed correctly from the source and the table. And if the data is getting mismatched, then we need to raise the defects accordingly, and we need to dig deeper into why the counts are not matching. So for that, we need to check the data in the table. After that, there is a null query. We need to check for the null values in the mandatory column. So for that, we run this select count from target table where mandatory column is null. So is null is the condition which checks whether the mandatory column is having null values or not. So if the expected condition is that once we run this query in the target table, we should get the zero record. If we are getting some record, then that means the mandatory column is having null values. So it is a mismatch. Then we need to raise the defects accordingly.